Alright guys, I found a new tool on Summit Racing that I've never seen before, and we're going to test it out. So this is a bushing installer and remover, and we're going to see how well it works installing and removing control arm bushings. So this tool comes in actually a really nice box, nicer than I thought it was going to be for the price that we paid. It's got little locks, it has a band so you can't use it and then return it and pretend you didn't use it. So we have what looks like instructions for removal and installation in French, Spanish, and in English. And it's screwed to this so you can't lose it. But you know, it looks brand new, some adapters, some inserts. Let's give it a try. So here is the arm that we're going to use, arm and shaft. They've already been cleaned and painted. And here are the bushings that we're going to use. Yes, I did put these in the freezer. So there's a little tip for you. Put your bushings in the freezer, get them nice and cold so they fit just a little better in the arm that you're going to use. So according to the instructions, we're going to do installation first since I already have the other ones out. It says assemble B cap with O-ring to the forcing cup as shown. Select an insert and then place the insert inside the cup. Push the new bushing in position and then basically turn the screw until it goes in. So we're looking at figure F, G, and H. That one, and that one. So this is the method that I've kind of come up with. You need to use an insert. This kit actually has them labeled A, B, and C, so we're going to use insert A. So what we want is we want to put that on there so that we're pushing on the outside edge of the bushing. And then when this comes in, that's how it's going to sit. So we'll get a good push onto the bushing into the arm. The way this works is this sits like here. It's going to sit like this. So you can see that the bushing will come through the control arm. And then you probably use an impact. I'm going to use a crescent wrench. And we're going to push that in and see how well it goes. Well, this is going to take a little bit of finagling, I think, to get it right, but it does look like it will work fairly well. Of course, this might be easier with two people, but you know how that goes. That actually just slides right in there, look at that. We want to make sure we're not binding. This would be easier with a ratcheting wrench, I guess. That's going in there really good. Probably could have put some grease on that to kind of help it slide in there. So far, it's doing a really good job. I like that a lot. So what I like about this is, all right, that one's in. What I like about that is there's no way to smash the arm in and out. Like if you did this with a hammer, it would be kind of easy to crush the control arm and bend it. And this way we don't have that as a problem. So this might be a little tricky just because the actual bushing is not in the control arm yet. So maybe we'll tap it in real quick. So interesting fact. Look at that. For this one, we're going to try just a little bit. Just a little bit. Maybe that will help. Making sure we're straight. I feel like this might be a little easier because we put the PB blaster on it. What a wonderful tool. That seems way better than smashing it with a hammer. Doing anything else like that. Yeah, that'll work. So next time when I do it, I'll probably put a little bit of that spray inside on the inner shaft that goes on the inner part of the bushing, but oh, that worked out really well. So here's the setup for removing a bushing. You basically have this receiving cup right here, and when you screw in the shaft, it's going to push this adapter against the bushing, and that should push it out of the arm against this receiving cup. It's kind of a shame I can't get the open part right here, but you know, you want it to contact the arm wherever you can. So I'm going to lower the camera, get you guys a better angle, and we're going to see what happens when we push a bushing out. Alright, we're upgrading to a ratchet. Woo. I don't think I'll ever get used to that. Is it gonna do that every time? Yeah, I don't know about that. Watch your toes, ladies and gentlemen. This might fall off and bust your toes. And we got it loose. But I feel like an air hammer and a chisel is actually a better means of getting that bushing off. Oh, come on, Vice. You're failing me now. It's coming. Jeez, does it do that every time? Okay, well. It's out. There's the old bushing. I've never seen it go pop like that before, but maybe that's what it does now. I don't know. One of those things. Now we got this one that we can take out, I guess with a hammer. Might be easier that way. Alright guys, so there's a quick little video on removing the bushings with this new tool I bought. And honestly, removing them, not really a fan of that. I don't know if it's the control arm, I don't know if it's the tool, I don't know if it's user error, but installing is great. I will install bushings with this all day long, but removing it, I think I'm going to go back to heat and go back to an air hammer or an air chisel and just buzz them out, and then I'll put them in that way. So yeah, I know this video was short, but I hopefully it helped somebody else out, and you can use this tool that I found from Summit Racing. And I have to sneeze. Well, I know this video was short, but hopefully it helps out somebody else, and you don't have as many allergies as I do while installing control arm bushings. So we'll see you again in the next one, guys.